Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can share your food in Heartopia game to the other DG members. Okay, let's get into it guys. First thing first, make sure that you have foods in your backpack. And here I already have some foods that I can share to my friends or to the other DG members. And for instance, I'm going to share my pancake. You can select the food that you want to share like this, and you're going to click on share. And then you can ask the other DG members to click on this icon, and they will be able to eat the food you have shared. Yeah, just like that. This, but now I don't have someone to share this food to. But if you want to share, just do what I did and then ask them to click on this icon. Okay guys, and that's how you can share foods in Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.